guys. So, maaga akong gumising kasi bibili tayo ng gulay. This is the eco bag. I have water, wallet, tayo. So, let's go. Super lamig guys. Look at that mountains. Sobrang ganda ng Baguio. Wow, this is the first stoop. Basta, the area. Okay guys, malapit na. Guys, pinagpapawisa na ako. Yan na. Hello guys, ako 400 kagad ako. I think mas mura pa rin bumili sa palengke. Pero ang layo kasi, so...
After a total of 30 minutes of walking.
Wait lang guys. So guys, nag-fry lang ng potato and then binabad ko lang sa tubig yung broccoli and cauliflower. Then pinirito ko rin yung carrots and then yung onti yung chicken. Tapos nilipat ko sila ng pan. Yung ibang chicken tinabi ko muna. Nilagyan ko to ng gatas and then ng pampalasa. Then yung veggies and then yun na. Pinakulo ko na lang. Then voila! Next is yung para sa curry naman. Nagisa lang ako ng bawang at sibuyas. Tapos yung ilang chicken na nilagyan ko ng patis. And then, after that, hinayaan ko muna sila maluto. Then, nilagay ko yung potato and yung carrots. And then, hayaan muna natin siyang mag-simmer dyan kasama yung chicken. And then, yung bell pepper. And then, makikita nyo guys, ito hinalo-halo ko lang sila. Tapos, umakit na ako sa kwarto ko para kumuha ng tubig. Kasi kailangan natin yun para sa curry natin. Yung curry sauce ko nga pala is from Japan. Meron yata sa Shopee. Hanapin nyo na lang. Guys, lagyan ko natin. Ano ba siya guys? Nakakultib na siya. So, wait mo lang siya mag-dissolve. Tapos kukulay na yan dito sa pagkain. Yan, lalasa na. So, while waiting, mag-uurong na muna ako. May natira pa akong broccoli guys. Macaroni. Tapos gatas. Tapos may pampalasa pa ako. Gatas. So, next time na sila. Kasi ang dami na ito. Ang dami na rin ito. Kaya ko na ito ubusin ng 1 week. Let's go. Hello guys, today is the next day. Kahapon nagluto ang toko pero nakalimutan kong video. But today we're going to be cooking mojos. Let's go! Nagugutom na ako. Sa mga problema sa Baguio is yung mantika. Like, depending on my stress level yung niluluto ko. Parang the more stress I got, the more complex the food I cook. Let's cook. Tapos after this, maglalaban na ako. Sinaktak ko siya. Buti naman may lumabas. Sana hindi tumanisip. Hindi na lang kami apoy, but yes, let's cook. Hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng breading. Ito na lang. Guys, yun yung pinili kong cutter. Hindi siya gumagaan. So, ayun ito. Kasi isa lang. Sobrang nipis. Parang pang pipino. Kaya na. Yum. Balik mayo guys. Yeah. Yes, alright. guys, nandito na ako sa dorm. Yum! I had a realization. College life is really hard. But let's not forget to romanticize life kasi it's hard. At the same time, let's make the best moment out of it, you know? If you're 20, 21, 22, 19, 18, or whatever your age is, you can never go back to that age. So, this is a gift. I feel like that's what we forget about life sometimes. Because it's so hard, we tend to focus on the negative side. Let this be a gentle reminder that it's okay, you will be fine. It will get better, you will get better. It's like a Ferris wheel, sometimes you're above, sometimes you're below. But the good thing about life is you keep moving. You keep moving. If you're happy, be grateful that a lot of good things are happening in your life, and at the same time, if a lot of good things are happening in your life, be humble enough to be sensitive about the people around you under different circumstances. Or if you're feeling so down lately, you feel like you cannot do it anymore, and you know, things just gets a little more heavier every day, especially the weight that you carry on your own. Just keep moving. It will be fine. Now, I will be just chilling, and then later maglalaban ako, and then watch K-drama. Yum. Sasaw ko to guys sa garlic mayo ko.